Hey, what's up? It just is Queen Bubbles here. We about our crowns and on our business. Okay, guys, I know you're like, what we about to be doing right now? We're about to get ready to go set up the customer bounce house. So first we gotta clean it, dry it. I wouldn't normally do this all in one day, but since it's the smaller one, I could do it quick. But some of you guys asked for how do I fold it and put it into my car. I'm going to show you guys that today. So I'm going to show you how I clean it, dry it, and fold it. And if I have any repairs to make, I'll show you what I use as well. All right, guys, I'll see you when we get here. As long as everybody know it's my bounce house is from this distance. Okay, so many of y'all ask, like, how do I get it in the car? I have help, and we out here in the rain because it got rained on earlier, but we got this big mug in the car. So our next step, you see how I don't even shut the door, but our next step is to put this one in the trunk. I'll probably